Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the audio from Smule. Now if you want to download the audio from Smule, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app on a device. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the Smule app on a device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. And the important thing is that if your recordings and audio is in private sector, then you won't be able to install it. So make sure that you change it into public before installing it, and only you will be able to install the audio from the Smule. So from here you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and after clicking on the profile icon, here you will see the option of channel, invites, playlist, about, and all of it. So under channel you will see various number of recordings and all of the things included on your profile. From here you just need to select the recording which you want to download, and from here you just need to click on the option of share, and you just need to copy the link of the audio or the recording which you want to download. And from here you just need to open App Store, click on the option of search, and search the app which is Song Downloader. The thing is that you can't simply download the audio or recording from the Smule app itself. It doesn't have an inbuilt quality, so you just need to search the app for Song Downloader for Smule app, and there you just need to paste the copied link and you will be able to install it from there. So that's it. That's how you can download the audio from Smule. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.